Meaning of deconsecration.
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 Deconsecration. Deconsecration refers to the act of removing the sacred or consecrated status of an object or place. It is a process that involves the undoing of any religious or spiritual rites and ceremonies that have previously been performed on it. The result of deconsecration is that the object or place loses its religious significance and becomes secular or ordinary. This can occur for various reasons, such as when a religious building is repurposed for non-religious use, or when a person renounces their religious beliefs and rituals. Deconsecration is essentially a reversal of the consecration process.